Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I bought this collar mic from Flipkart. It costed me around 1200 rupees. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. It has two mic, a receiver and a charging cable. It claims that the receiver and the mic can be connected up to 20 meters. This is the receiver which will be connected to the phone. It can be connected to both Android and iPhone. This is the charging cable which will charge both the mics and the receiver. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for such amazing content. Goodbye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.